Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 DEX coins outside of the top 50 by market cap. We're going to start with Jupiter, followed by Curve, Palm, SAROS, Kick. We dip handle, so we're going to do AERO, Radium, 4chain, 1 inch, and Gnosis. Let's get straight into Jupiter. So here we are for Jupiter. So in my opinion, I think that Jupiter is forming a rising channel. Rising channel is a bearish continuation chart pattern, so I'm expecting Jupiter to hit a little bit lower. Not a little bit, it's quite a lot. Right now we're at almost 50 cents. I think we're gonna go down to 20 cents for Jupiter. I don't think this is it. I honestly think we're going lower. We're still under the skinny pink line. We've been consolidating under the skinny pink line. If things were to switch bullish, we will very likely see a bullish reversal, but this is not a bullish reversal. This is more likely than not a bearish continuation. So my take is Jupiter is more likely than not going down towards 20 cents. But of course, we don't see the chart pattern yet. All I see is a mountain number 1. I need to see that mountain number 2 first. Once mountain number 2 is formed, that's it. I think we're headed lower. I honestly think we're headed lower, right? Because this is a marginally higher high. You don't want to see this kind of move. You know, if you want to go long, this is where you go short. So more likely than not, Jupiter is headed towards 20 cents. Curve down. Okay, curve. Michael, what's happening? So here we are for curve. Okay, curve is quite bullish, to be honest. Curve is above the skinny pink line. You have to be very selective with the coins that you're going long and also short. Not everything is bullish. So curve, in my opinion, could be switching bullish. This whole thing is potentially, again, it's not exactly textbook perfect, but this could be something like an inverse head and shoulders. Potentially, it's very messy. I don't really like what I see on curve, but we're rising very fast. We're falling very slow. So this is great. But from a trading standpoint, right, it's like, bro, what's this? What is this? Pump.farm. So Pump just got listed not too long ago. So this is how Pump looks like. What do I think about Pump? I suspect Pump could be forming an ABC, right? A, B, C, right? When we fall very fast. When we rise very slow. So more likely than not, we're gonna fall fast. More likely than not. So again, no chart pattern yet. It's still quite fresh. So we're gonna have to wait for more information. SAROS. What in the world is SAROS? So SAROS has been rising. Again, the moment we break above the skinny pink line convincingly, more likely than not, it's going to go higher, right? So we remain with a bullish bias once we break above the skinny pink line. And we watch out for consolidation. There was a squeeze here. Bam! Broke out. Another squeeze came in. Bam! We're out. So, yeah, SAROS keeps going higher and higher. But I'm starting to see marginally higher highs. Just like Jupiter. So I suspect it's only a matter of time before SAROS falls. So when is it going to fall? I don't know. This, to be honest, right, reminds me of Let me just give you a very gentle reminder of what happened for right? When it was rising, everybody was saying, oh my God, it's going to go to $100. Oh, it's going to go. Yeah, look at what happened, right? So I suspect the same thing could be happening for SAROS. But the only question is, where is the high? Where is the high? Okay, the one we do not know. We do not know where the high is, right? Is it 50 cents? Are you going to go closer to 50 cents first before we reverse again? Again, nope. So we're going to have to wait. For more information, Cake against USD. Okay, so Cake is something which I like. I like Cake because Cake is in a very big accumulation. And we already have targets at $14. Right now we're at $2.77, around $2.77, sub $3. Could we still drop lower? I really do hope we drop lower. If you could clear all of these sell classes, right, dropping back down towards like 175, oh, that'd be fantastic. That would be fantastic. Right, if you look at the 1 week, this is actually a bearish engulfing. So more likely than not, we're gonna hit lower. Right, the last time we got a bearish engulfing, you know what happened? Bam! Look at the fall. Pretty rough, huh? So again, bearish engulfing means that more likely than not, we're gonna see some sort of a retrace. So I think it's much safer to wait for a bullish engulfing, right? Again, look over here. Bullish engulfing, right? Pump. Reverse back higher. This is on the daily. So again, we have to wait for the bullish sign to come in. This is a bearish sign. So I would stay safe. Okay, we did bundle AERO against USD. Here we are for AERO. AERO is What in the world is AERO doing? We're under the skinny pink line. We have to break above it. Once we break above it, oh, this could be the inverse head and shoulders that could be coming on. We need to consolidate a little bit. And then 2026, that's it. We go bananas. Right. We take out this high. This will be fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. But we have to break out first. And we have to be reserving this high. That means we come back down for a consolidation. For a right shoulder. Left shoulder. Head. Right shoulder. Fantastic. But again, we need to wait for it to happen first before doing anything. Radium against USD. Here we are for Radium. Okay, Radium is under the skinny pink line. So I am still leaning towards Radium. Completing a head and shoulders here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. As we head towards potentially 50 cents though. Yeah, potentially 50 cents. But to be honest, this is a good thing. Why? Because this could be a very nice ABCDE. It's just that when things are falling, right, and if you are not long-sighted, if you're short-sighted, and you just look at this, right, you would think, oh my god, it's gonna collapse. Yeah, but it's a good thing. It's a good thing. So I think it's gonna go back under 50 cents. Right, we're still under the skinny pink line. We are having trouble breaking above it. So I would stay safe. I think Radium is gonna hit lower. RUNE against USD. Here we are for RUNE. Okay, RUNE has a very nice squeeze here. Look at this. It looks fantastic, right? A, B, C, D, E. Pam! But we're very close to the lows here. And this rally has been lackluster, to say the least. Could we still clear these lows? Stop short of taking out this low and then start reversing? Yeah, of course. But I don't see the bullish reversal yet. So yeah, just switch out and you will see, let's say for example, the low of wave A, right? Here, there was a bullish engulfing on the weekly, right? Last time a bullish engulfing came in, look at the strong rally, right? Bullish engulfing, what happened? Strong rally. Bullish engulfing, that's it. The rally of ages. Okay, no, the rally, the rally of ages is when RUNE goes poof, right? So anything here? No. Could there be some shenanigans? Yeah, we could clear this. Right. I mean, of course, we could also do something like this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolutely possible, right? You can count the waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. I don't think this is a wave one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's another wave lower. I honestly think that's another wave lower. I don't think this is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think that's another wave lower. So I would stay safe when it comes to RUNE. I think that we could still potentially catch RUNE lower. Potentially. Again, no clear chart patterns for us to work with. No clear signs of a bullish reversal yet for RUNE. 1 inch. Oh my god, 1 inch is also marking around. What in the world is happening to 1 inch? Okay, this is a very strong rally. So this is fantastic. 1 inch, if you switch over to the monthly, this is a bullish engulfing. So we like what we see on 1 inch because 1 inch is an Ethereum coin. So all the coins that are orbiting Ethereum, I've mentioned this many times, is rising. So that's why 1 inch is also rising. Best bullish case scenario for 1 inch is we hit higher. We complete the inverse head and shoulders. Very big inverse head and shoulders. Pump. We break higher. $5, baby! So yeah, but we still need to break here first. Stop short of taking out this high. See the curve coming. That's it. Sayonara, bitches! And then we go crazy. Gnosis. Or Gnosis. So GNO USD is also in a very nice squeeze. Right? We've already taken out this high. These lows. Again, this still feels like a rising channel. So I still suspect that we could clear these two lows first. Right? Stop short of taking out these lows. And then we start the reversal. That could be something for Gnosis. But we still need to see the moves happen first. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we're gonna remain with a bearish bias for Gnosis. So Jupiter, in my opinion, is gonna hit lower. More likely than not. Of course, I could be wrong, but Jupiter doesn't look that good. Even Pump as well. Right, so SAROS is only a matter of time. I think Cake also could be dropping, but Pancake swaps. Big chart pattern is fantastic. Right. So yeah, there you go. Even Radium as well has huge potential. Right, I hope you guys have a great weekend. See you in the next one. Ta-ta.